This is Kishkinda. If there were ever a true kingdom to be found in the wild, this would be it. Ruling this kingdom is Sugriva, and although not the strongest alpha male to ever grace this hillside, his dominance often goes unrivaled. Months ago, Sugriva usurped leadership from his elder, Vali, who suddenly abandoned the group. Now Vali, after his months of isolation, returns to displace his successor. But it is uncertain whether the group, or more importantly, Sugriva, will let him do so with little resistance. After a quick exchange of aggressive signals, the confrontation begins rather tame, but it isn't long before Vali makes the first violent move. Vali, the stronger of the two, comes out victorious, forcing Sugriva to leave the group disgraced. Months pass, and Kishkinda still thrives, though now under the leadership of Vali. He has reassumed his old position in every way, even claiming Sugriva's wife as his own. Until Vali witnesses the return of Sugriva and his followers. Vali is quick to bypass diplomacy, and almost immediately the fight for dominance begins. Although the confrontation may look violent, much of the aggression is merely for show, and rarely would any participant ever suffer a serious injury. But an approaching hunter aims to interfere,